it takes a lot of work to close a deal. So I think that's where, the celebration comes in. You've raised all the equity, you've secured the loan, you've taken it all the way to, I don't want to call it the finish line, but you've taken it to where you actually acquired a property. But in reality, the hardest part is once you close on it and you actually have to deliver on your business plan, right? Managing or asset managing multifamily is not easy, especially when you have all different types of things being thrown at you, right? Like we've seen. So with COVID, and then now with the Fed raising interest rates, you've got a lot of outside forces working against you. There's a reason why we only invest in landlord-friendly states, because we don't want that interfering, but some things you just can't help it, right? So, and then to maximize your NOI, there's so many things that go into doing that. It's not just, hey, let me bump the rents, right? There's so much more that you can do. And I think what's crucial is one, pinpointing what those KPIs are that you need to meet your business plan, and then working on those and making sure that you're heading towards that on a weekly basis, adjusting when you need to adjust, not looking at backwards data, right? Looking at it real time. So you're not getting a monthly report and then trying to react off that monthly report. Yeah, I mean, there's a lot that goes with, then I'm not even mentioning the construction and the CapEx part of it, right? A lot of the times you're spending millions on these properties. There's not always somebody with construction experience, or you're leaving it up to the property manager. And the longer it takes, the longer it's taking you to meet that business plan, and the more things that can come up and kind of derail you. So yeah, I don't think it's talked about enough. I think asset management is by far the hardest. And I think one reason it hasn't been talked about enough, at least in going several years back, is because the market was doing so well, right? It was on fire. Nobody could mess it up. Doesn't matter how bad of an operator you were, all you had to do was sit and take the appreciation, right? Not really force the appreciation. Well, now we're in a different market. Now you're going to actually have to deliver your business plan and force that appreciation. So you're going to see the difference between a good operator and a bad operator.